Which AI chatbot is the smartest in 2023? In today's video we are going to compare 3 of the top AI chatbots, Google's Bard, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and Anthropic's Claude. We'll look at the unique features, strengths and weaknesses of each to help figure out which one is the smartest in 2023. Let's get started. A quick introduction to our 3 chatbots. Bard is Google's latest AI chatbot that was announced in February 2023. It is built on Google's language model called LaMDA. Bard aims to provide helpful information to users' questions across a wide range of topics. A unique feature is that Bard gives multiple different answers to each question you ask it. ChatGPT was created by the research company OpenAI and publicly launched in November 2022. It uses a language model called GPT 3.5. ChatGPT is known for its human-like conversational abilities and can generate detailed responses on nearly any topic while maintaining context. Finally, Claude is an AI chatbot launched by the startup Anthropic in July 2023. It uses a language model called constitutional AI. Claude is designed to have harmless, honest and helpful conversations. A key feature is its ability to admit mistakes and correct itself. Comparing accuracy. One of the most important factors we need to look at is accuracy. How good are these chatbots at providing correct information in response to questions? Overall, ChatGPT appears to be the most accurate of the 3. In a recent head-to-head test, ChatGPT scored over 90% accuracy on a variety of questions while Bard scored around 60% accuracy. Claude has not been publicly tested but early reviews suggest its accuracy is on par with ChatGPT. ChatGPT's advanced language model allows it to deeply understand context and the details in questions. This helps it provide highly accurate responses, even on complex topics. Bard struggles more with accuracy right now but Google is rapidly working to improve it. Giving multiple responses increases the chances that one will be correct, but many of Bard's responses are acknowledged to be incorrect or nonsensical. While Claude aims for high accuracy like ChatGPT, some tests show it does make factual mistakes on certain questions. But it admits when it doesn't know something rather than guessing. Comparing conversation ability. Another key comparison is how natural and human-like the chatbots are in conversation. Can they maintain context and generate responses like a real person? Again, ChatGPT appears the most human-like of the 3 overall. Its responses are highly detailed and conversational. In blind tests, many people cannot distinguish ChatGPT from a human. Claude also aims to converse naturally. Its responses tend to be briefer but do capture conversational cadence and logical reasoning. Claude admits mistakes in a human way as well. Bard can engage in some conversation but does not maintain context as well. Its responses are noticeably artificial and repetitive compared to ChatGPT and Claude. Google is working to improve this. Language support. Let's also look at which languages these chatbots support besides English. ChatGPT offers the most language flexibility, with French, German, Spanish and Italian supported along with English. This gives it a big advantage globally. Claude only supports English and French right now. Bard just launched support for Hindi along with English. So ChatGPT's multilingual edge gives it a big win in this category. Pricing and availability. In terms of availability and pricing, Bard has a big advantage being free and publicly accessible through Google Search. Anyone can use it at no cost. ChatGPT requires a paid subscription to OpenAI with pricing tiers depending on usage. Individual users have to wait for access and pay at least $20 per month. This limits its availability to many. Like Bard, Claude is available for free public testing. But it's not embedded into a search engine so you have to go to their website to use it. Still, being free makes it more accessible overall. Responsible AI concerns. Finally, we have to talk about responsible AI practices. There are concerns around potential biases and misinformation with these powerful chatbots. Unfortunately, ChatGPT has faced criticism for generating problematic content around race, gender and other areas in some cases. OpenAI is working to address this but issues remain. Bard and Claude claim to place more emphasis on avoiding biases and harm from the start in their language models. But it's still early days for both. Long-term responsible AI is a key area for improvement across all these chatbots. As we move further into the age of AI, chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable. One area where we can expect to see significant advancements is in the area of natural language processing, NLP. NLP refers to the ability of machines to understand and interpret human language, and it is a critical component of chatbots. Advancements in NLP will allow chatbots to understand not just the words we are saying, but also the context, tone, and intent behind those words. This will enable chatbots to provide even more accurate and personalized responses, making them even more useful in a variety of applications. Another area where we can expect to see continued advancements is in the development of voice-based chatbots. Voice-based chatbots, also known as virtual assistants, are already becoming increasingly popular in homes and offices around the world. These chatbots allow users to interact with them using natural language spoken commands, making them even more intuitive and user-friendly. As chatbots become more advanced, we may also see them playing a bigger role in education. Chatbots can be used to provide personalized learning experiences, helping students with everything from homework assignments to test preparation. They can also be used to provide ongoing feedback and support, helping students to stay on track and reach their full potential. Education chatbots could act as virtual tutors, providing customized lessons and practice activities based on a student's skill level and learning pace. They could also monitor student progress, identify knowledge gaps, and suggest resources to help strengthen weak areas. For teachers, AI-powered chatbots could help automate routine administrative tasks, freeing up more time for meaningful student interactions. Chatbots integrated with school information systems could assist with tasks like taking attendance, updating student records, and notifying parents about absences or upcoming events. Schools could even use chatbots to engage parents and families by providing personalized updates on each student's progress and suggestions for how to support learning at home. Of course, there are also concerns about the impact that chatbots and other forms of AI may have on the job market. As chatbots and other AI technologies become more advanced, they may start to replace human workers in some industries. While this could lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it could also lead to widespread job loss and economic disruption. To address these concerns, it will be important for companies and policymakers to work together to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. This may involve measures such as providing retraining programs for workers who are displaced by AI, implementing regulations to prevent AI from reinforcing biases and discrimination, and ensuring that AI is used in ways that benefit society as a whole. We must also consider how to regulate the use of chatbots and AI in critical fields like healthcare, law and finance where mistakes could have serious consequences. Overall, the future promises exciting advances in conversational AI, but we must remain vigilant about managing risks as these technologies continue to evolve. With the right oversight and ethical development, chatbots have immense potential to enhance our lives and augment a wide range of jobs and industries. So in summary, when looking at accuracy, conversation ability, language support and responsible AI practices, ChatGPT appears to be the smartest and most capable AI chatbot overall in 2023. However, it is more costly and less accessible than Bard and Claude, which are both free. Bard's integration into Google Search gives it a big potential advantage, while Claude's focus on harmless, honest dialogue is commendable. The race is still on to develop the smartest AI possible. As the technology keeps advancing, we can expect even more impressive AI chatbots to emerge in the coming years. But for now, ChatGPT retains the lead in the AI race when combining all its strengths against the competition. What do you think? Have you tried any of these chatbots? Let me know which one you think is the smartest in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos comparing the latest AI tech. Thanks for watching.